know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
Hey guys, welcome to another video. It's Vlogmas. It's Vlogmas. Today it is Vlogmas Day 17. If y'all haven't seen the previous Vlogmas Day 16, my birthday, the description will be below, or just the wig that I have on my head. I'm going to install it now. So I'm going to show you guys how I install it. Now, disclaimer, I'm no professional, okay? I'm just doing what I have to do when I have to do it because I have to do it. You understand me? Yes. So bear with me. If you guys know or have any tips, leave it down in the comments. And maybe I'll try next time, because for real, I had ordered some lace wigs and they have not come in yet. So, and by the time y'all see this, it'll be the day after my birthday. So, yeah, I had to go dust one of my wigs off and put it on just so I can be a little cute for my day. You hear me? Yes, a little cute. So, let's get into it. First, y'all, don't judge me. Look at this. Do not judge me. I don't know how to braid.
What are those?
I try to do cornrows, so this is the new style of cornrows, ladies. If you need me to do a tutorial on it, on how I did it, just leave a comment down below. I'm just kidding, y'all, but this is the best that I could do. So the next step is the wave cap. So first step is the lady said, because I googled this on YouTube, so I love YouTube, y'all. Stocking cap on. And I hope this is not too light, but whatever. So, and she said, get your got to be and spray it up there on the, what do you call it? Your edge, your line. So let's go ahead and do that. And then you're going to press it in the product. And the second step is to blow dry my hair until it's hard and dry. Ooh, that's hot, honey. Okay. And then we're going to cut the excess cap off. So, yeah, be right back. So now, as you can see, I cut the edges, the excess off. And then she says take some powder as closest to the complexion that you are and tap it. I'm not really sure what this is for. I know it's like to make sure it's kind of like your scalp, I guess. I don't know. But we're going to do what she said, following directions. I hope I'm doing this right. Take your got to be and seal it. She said seal it. So it's just a little bit. And now I have my cotton ball and I have my 91% alcohol. And I'll put the alcohol because I'll put it where I'm going to glue at. Wipe it off, clean it off because I want it to stick. So we don't want any oil or makeup. See, it's taking the makeup off that I did. Okay, so now we're gonna glue it. So like I said, this is an old wig and we're gonna get it right. I got a clip in the back and I'm going to put the wig exactly where I want it. Like right there. Y'all, this wig look wild, but trust me, after I finish, honey, it's gonna be like that, okay? Clip back there just to hold the hair back. And okay, so I'm gonna pretty much put that back a little bit. This is the glue that I'm using. Never tried it before, but we're gonna try it now. So it feels like the damn thing is empty. I don't know. But I'm going to put the glue. Oops. Oh, Lord Jesus. Try to spread it out. Y'all, I'm not a professional. Okay? And I think I missed a step. I think I was supposed to like put got to be spray on it a little bit just to protect. But I think I'm going to be okay because, y'all, I want to take this back because it feel like it is nothing in here. That lady sold me this daggone thing and it ain't no glue in here. Look empty. I should be able to use this more than once. Got my receipt still. I wonder if they close. Look at this. And if this is $4.99 and it's like this, just one trial, then I'm not getting this no more. But what? What? Yeah. And I know them Chinese people, they probably won't even take it back. Because I got to finish this. Shoot. I don't have time. My birthday You know, it's the dick. Not the mall. When y'all will be seeing this. So, I hope this thing looks like it's gonna stick. But I know I didn't.
Sorry, you used water, didn't you?
And, I'm gonna take this off the correct way so I won't lose my edges, honey. I gotta have my edges at 40, okay? So let's dry this, put it on cool, and it dry. Okay, so you see how right here it's dry, it's clear. This was a thicker space, and because I know my mistakes where I did. Next time I'll do better, but I needed to spread it out so it could be thinner, but it's pretty much dry. So what we're gonna do is we're going to pull it over. Now you don't want to press on it all the way until you get the whole wig on and where you want it. Okay? Honey, this wig ain't been out the closet in a while, so it's kind of nappier.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
And then you press down. They say use a comb to press it down, but it doesn't really work for me, so I use my fingers. Sometimes I use the comb to support me. Y'all, when I get my wigs in the mail, when they get delivered, I will show you from the beginning how to do this. Because like I said, this is an old wig, but I'm going to tie this down. Because I got this up, and I'm going to tie this down. But my battery's about to die, so when I come back, I'll be fully glammed. Okay? Wish me luck. I'm back, guys. As you can see, I have my wig on. I tried to do baby hairs, y'all, but I'm not good at it, so I just did this. So this is the outcome of the lace wig that I showed you guys. I'm sorry, my battery had died, so this is what I had on for today. So this is Vlogmas Day 17, and I appreciate you all from the bottom of my heart, as always. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, the notification bell, so you won't miss out on any new videos. So until next time, y'all already know what it is. Same place, YouTube. It's been real, y'all. Love you. Peace. And y'all, oh, if you're new, this is what what was I saying though? How was I closing it? This is not funny, son. This is real serious business.
All right, I'm gonna let y'all go.
Oh. And y'all know what it is. It's always real with you. Why I forget my intro? I mean my outro.
You're not even forgetting it, you just messing with your face.
Because this hair This one right here, it won't stay back. This is not funny, Trey.